to the far side of him. One flashing Mishlango with plenty of room. And hits the crossbar. A magnificent shot there from flashing Mishlango that I don't think could receive. Already it's an open game. Dr. Khumalo. Still Khumalo into Kuze. Kuze with a chance. Medina. Kuze. And he tries to chip the teeth. One of the most exhilarating players to watch is Khumalo with his way past Malifi. McGregor's got inside. And now Kuze. 1-0. Well, it's happened again. Side. Up to McGregor. McGregor flicks on to Khumalo. Khumalo gets past Mishlango. In it goes. Medina! 2-0! Well, that was a classic goal. Dr. Khumalo. So Medina still going well, as we see. Kaizer remembers as there's a bit of trouble in the far corner from the supporters of the Orlando Pirates. They will not allow the corner to be taken at the moment. It looks as though the security will be called in. Well, it's a pity because they cannot complain. The 2 goals were excellent. There's the Kaizer Chiefs bench, Dr. Check back with the glasses. And that's the Pirates bench. Mr. Kamani, the coach, cannot be very happy with his team or supporters at the moment.
Dr. Khumalo Buyobi Paya Kinsek Leo. Wheels are tata the corner kick. Gati go Dr. Khumalo Lobe Gibsel against Dopaya Gabi. I no longer can
order. Looks as though crowd are quieting down as the ball's whipped in.
Dr. Khumalo. Niklom Zalom Chen.
Well, there's a little chip in and a goal at last for Orlando Pirates and Steenkamp. Well, it all looked so easy as the Pirates players carried on, where the Kaizer Chiefs defenders relaxed, they stood still, waiting for each other. In pops Steenkamp, lobbed it over the goalkeeper.
Kaizer Chiefs, Chiberi, on the Pirates,
the header was on by Khademi. Everybody stood still instead. Steenkamp, and he was so lackadaisical about it, we thought he was offside.
Stoppages and people on and off to deliver treatment. And I think it's the right approach to take too, because otherwise the second half goes on for ages.
Yes, and as you mentioned earlier, there are 3 substitutes available for the out players. Dr. Khumalo wins the free kick, and already both Khumalo and Medina causing a few extra problems now for Sundowns. Moses.
And this is something we need. We've realised that these guys are a human being after all.
So South Africa's third corner, Khumalo to take it. Kadebe, the keeper came, and Masinga has scored! For Masinga's goal, the goalkeeper came, completely missed it, and I think for Masinga just stuck his head in there, and he has now got goal number 8 for South Africa, and that's coming exactly 20 minutes into the match.
What do you say, Mark? With a chip from Dr. Khumalo, Philliman got his head to it, and the ball just lofted over the top. The keeper came, he was miles away, he just off his head, beats a fullback on the lines of mid-air. South Africa 1, Brazil 0.
They get 25 minutes for the goal, the 25th minute for Masinga's 8th for South Africa. He's now back on top as the country's leading goal scorer, but Masinga. Good turn from Helman and Kalele. Spraying it in the middle. Masinga, Khumalo shot. Oh, South Africa are leading 2-0.
Believe it. Helman Mekalele goes down the right wing. He crosses the ball. He's headed out, and Khumalo hits it on the volley in the corner. I watched the Brazilians, and they actually stood Dr. Khumalo and allowed him to shoot. But again, who cares? South Africa 2, Brazil 0.
Well, Khumalo,
Watch the replay, Mark. Actually turned the back on him. Quite incredible.
straight through the legs too of the experienced captain Aldair. Look at the shot.
And the number 3 turns the back on the ball. Aldair, as you say.
Savio, Dr. Khumalo just clipping him on the ankles there. Zé Maria now. He has been one Brazilian with a little bit of intent. Savio. Can he get past Tinkler and Toby? Flavio, shot. It's in the back of the net. Flavio has scored for Brazil. Set up by Savio. And now possibly we've got a match on our hands.
Mark, that's the first time the Brazilians have really gone wide. When the ball came out, it was played wide to Savio. He cut inside his left foot, played the ball, and they scored, making it 2-1. As you say, Mark, there it is. He cuts inside, left foot, unsighted by a Brazilian player, Bebeto it looked like, 2-1. And I think that's exactly what the game needed, but I've sooner seen the third goal for South Africa rather than the first one for Brazil.
Aronson did get a touch. Yeah, that's a good long early ball out. Bebeto has possession for Brazil. He's the danger man. This is a great pass and a chance here for Rivaldo. Shot, yes! So easy.
I was just going to say to you, Mark, he's lost his chance. He's got no right foot. He had to pull it back on his left foot, but he bent it round Aronson. A superb goal. A few more smiles down the bench from the Brazilians.
Well, South Africa's defence has gone to pot in this second half as the Brazilians were in the first half. They've picked up a gear, and that was ever so easy for Rivaldo.
Is it right, Mark, that John Moretti must be the last man there? I mean, he's the one that went to Rivaldo there, and he bent it down there. It makes you wonder. He's attacking down the right-hand side, which he wasn't doing in the first half. Great cross, bent.
Oh, excellent goal from Bebeto.
You know, so did it. It seems like the easiest thing was to head it. He laid back and volleyed it.
Oh, look at Zagalo. Isn't he enjoying this? Well, he's done nothing all day.
Well, it came from Zimiri. He went down the line. He pulled the ball across. He laid back Bebeto. Surely, Mark, that was the hardest thing to do. The easy thing might have been headed in. But that's the Brazilians. We've criticised Bebeto, me in particular. But he put his money where his mouth was there. A great volley. Anderson, no chance.
He's going to the quarterfinals of the Nations Cup. So the signs are there, and I think we just need to be a bit more positive and get together as fans and football-loving people so we can take the game forward. I think for us to bridge the past and the present and even the future, I think we need to have show us how it's been done, so that integration of the past, and not only administrators, we need football people running football.
Heritage, yeah, so, fight